Big up Crosses TV.
Come catch that one, you crosses, Stevie.
If we go in and
Watch till the end.
we don't know, but if we don't want to do that, that's fine, you know. People don't normally see me come live and talk. You hear that? Let me tell you this, and God is not a wicked God. God not wicked. When you look on this, when you see the baby on a phone, right? The baby did young, the baby could have grown for favor anybody else. Anybody else. Why the baby chose to favor you come up, my son could have favor me. Come nice. My son could have favor my mother. My son could have favor anybody in my family. Look on we. Eh? Why uno feel like sir God no wicked, sir God is not a wicked God. Come on. Come on. Wanna stop it fucking no man. Wanna do better no man. I never come on this come drag nobody. I not jug no, I not say nothing bad bone. I'm still not going to say nothing bad bone. I say it again because of that. I say when I'm pregnant, your father said, don't go with shorty. You hear that? And you see a man call my auntie phone that when he left out because it was. You see a man call my auntie phone and ask her what China did. I'm not go with your mother at the DNA plate that I when I have my belly. Yes, when I fly me from foreign, because me had disagreement and I told you weren't going to see my child. I was only saying that because I was upset. I asked you, I have screenshot of it, saying me. I asked him, I said, Akil, do you have doubts? You said no. You said no. Yes, I know, brother. And I respect your father said it, whether or not he want to talk to me or not. And I'm not going to ever disrespect me now. I'm never disrespect me, you see it? But it hurt me. And me, I have to do what me, I have to do for my child, because fool no father and fool no mother go do, them have to do for uno. So me, I do what me, I do for my child. You hear that? So I'm not business with nobody. I'm not want a man tell me so nothing. I'm not need me a star in a real life. Yo, brother, you can't keep no blood clot love or like. My son don't need all of that. His mother don't give him that already. I need none of that from him. My son good. You hear that? And if me I feel like a morning, my mother got him. And if me I feel like a morning, my father got him. You hear that? As if me I feel like a morning, Shatia, Kimisha got him. Enough of my friend them, me can count upon them even though some of them not like me, then got him. Him not need nobody. And you see my grandfather, remember you know, me no know. Me grow same like when I grew on the son. Ask anybody when know me. Ask anybody on the life when know me. Me ever have my own one, my own, never beg, never do nothing. People just eat and tell be a lie for me. And what? The lie easy for run with than the truth. I'ma see that and I'ma shape me up and I'ma take that as a G. I'ma go about it.